Hello, good day, good evening, good morning, anything you like. As you know, if you follow my channel, I have bought myself this router table from SCHEPPACH model HF60, and I'm not very pleased with it. This is some kind of a hobby machine. It has some good parts, but it has some very awful sides. Worst thing about this tool is this router fence. It is made of plastic. It looks like a monster. It's not functional at all. It's not precise. It is deformed, and it's terrible. Let's cut the talk. I want to replace this terrible fence with a much simpler and more accurate router table. I'm going to use recycled MDF, and I invite you to follow this video to see how it will turn out in the end. So this is my test piece for this video. When I was working from this side, I just want wood was not on the fence, but I wanted to see the airflow through the channel. It was very nice. And on this side, I have working on both sides. As you can see, this groove turns out to be very nice. So this is the end. You have seen how I built my router fence. I managed to turn this cheap router table into a very nice one just by adding one simple router fence. For the fence I used the recycled materials, maybe not the best choice when you're building a fence, but I like to use all the materials that I got. Also, for my small YouTube channel, I would like to ask you to give me your support, to push my channel, to help me against the algorithm. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell, anything you like. Even the bad comments are welcome. I appreciated them because that is the way how I can make my channel better. And for the end, thank you for once again that you stay until the end. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!